Structured content. What is it? How does it work? Structured content is content that's organized in a predictable way, usually with the help of some extra information or metadata that categorizes each little bit of content by its type or purpose. If you're a writer or a marketing person like me, you might be picturing an article or a landing page when you think about content. But these are made up of a bunch of different individual bits of content, like a hero banner, body text, images, gallery section, or a call to action. If your content is stuck to a single format, like when it's hard-coded or inputted with a typical CMS, it makes it really hard to reuse its component parts, even if that piece might be super useful somewhere else. This leads to a lot of copy-pasting, which sounds like an easy fix, but very quickly the inconsistencies and errors and time spent pile up as you add more devices and customer journeys. With structured content, adding that extra layer of information about what a piece of content does lets you break it free from layout, shuffle it around, and sort it any way you like. That data is what lets different software, like a content platform, filter your content, organize it, and follow the defined rules around how it can be used. So it knows that a hero banner needs an image and a headline, and a call to action gets a button and one line of text. When you define these rules around each kind of content, it becomes a component that you can use anywhere and then fill with specific content. These components are called content types. Designing the structure, defining the different content types and how they relate to each other is called content modeling. A content model is like the bones of your project. It's a map of your content types and how they're connected. Structured content is great because it's like building with blocks as opposed to getting a pre-made house that you can only repaint and nothing else. Like blocks, you can reassemble structured content for any kind of layout or device without ever having to duplicate the original. And if you change a piece of content once, it updates instantly everywhere that content shows up. Structuring your content also helps you make it accessible to other apps beyond your CMS. For example, if you have content personalization or optimization tools, they can grab from the same single source of content truth too, and get updated right along with it. So no more copy pasting, no more inconsistencies, and no more knocking on developers' doors for simple changes. Structured content. It's an editor's best friend.